One step closer to the dream. The alarm buzzed at 5:30 a.m., its shrill tone slicing through the tranquility of the small apartment. Emma groaned, rubbing the sleep from her eyes. Another day. Another step. She swung her legs off the bed, her feet landing on the cold hardwood floor. Her vision board hung on the wall across from her, a collage of magazine clippings and handwritten notes. At the center was the bold phrase, "Paris Fashion Week Designer." Emma's dream of becoming a fashion designer seemed impossibly distant when she first moved to the city. With no connections and limited savings, her days were filled with odd jobs to make ends meet. By night, she sketched tirelessly at her tiny kitchen table, fabric scraps and pins scattered around her. Today was different. Today, she was presenting her designs to a boutique owner, the first real opportunity to break into the industry. Her heart raced as she packed her portfolio and the 3 meticulously crafted garments she'd stayed up all week finishing. Each piece was a manifestation of her blood, sweat, and endless determination. The boutique, Éclat de Mode, was nestled on a charming cobblestone street. Its pristine windows displayed elegant outfits that seemed to glow with sophistication. Emma's palms were clammy as she stepped inside, greeted by a waft of jasmine perfume and the faint hum of classical music. "Bonjour," said a polished woman in her 50s, her sharp eyes scanning Emma's nervous demeanor. "I'm Emma Carter," she stammered. "I have an appointment with Madame Renard to showcase my designs." The woman, Madame Renard herself, nodded curtly and led Emma to a back room. The space was minimalist, with a single table and a mannequin. Emma laid out her garments, her fingers trembling slightly. "These are inspired by the fluidity of nature," Emma began, her voice gaining strength as she described each piece. She spoke of the cascading layers representing waterfalls, the intricate embroidery mimicking the veins of leaves, and the bold colors evoking sunsets. Madame Renard examined each design with a discerning eye, her expression unreadable. Emma felt every second stretch into an eternity. Finally, Renard looked up, a faint smile curving her lips. "Your work is unconventional," she said. Emma's heart sank. But then Renard added, "and utterly captivating. We'll feature your collection in next month's showcase." Emma blinked, unsure if she'd heard correctly. Really, Renard said, her smile widening. "You have talent, but more importantly, you have vision. Don't let anyone dim that." Walking out of the boutique, Emma felt the cool breeze on her face and the warm glow of hope in her chest. This was it. A small step, but a significant one. She wasn't at Paris Fashion Week yet, but today proved that her dream wasn't just a distant star. It was real, tangible, and within reach. She was one step closer. That night, Emma updated her vision board. Beneath the bold letters, she added, "Next stop, Paris Fashion Week."